myself so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for.
Here we go. What's up, car folks? It's your boy DCS back again, and this time in the short wheel series we have a really special car. Yes, this is none other than the Skyline. It's the Nissan Skyline GDR, the BN R32, guys. It's got 5.5 and HW turbos, not the same without the Hot Wheels flame. This is the stock condition Skyline. I really love it, and I finally got my hands on one. And yes, for those of you who don't know what does BN stands for, B means twin turbo and N means all-wheel drive. So that's the best part in this car. And yes, it has a lot of details which we'll discuss once we unbox this thing, so can't wait. Let's just unbox it, guys. I really want to see how it looks. So here we go. What are we waiting for? Here it comes. Alright, here comes the Skyline, guys, and yes, first look, it's pretty damn amazing. As usual, the Skyline is so simple and so much better. It's really amazing, guys. I love the gray color, the stock gray color, and it's even got those cool you know, the Skyline sticker decals on the side. That's pretty nice, I guess, but if it was plain, it would be much more better, I guess. So here you have the Skyline logo at the back, the GDR logo too, and it's a lot better. It's so damn nice, guys. Yes, it is amazing. And yeah, I really like the tints also, and the interior too. Can't really see much in there, but still, it's really amazing, guys. The stock one is nice, and it's got side view mirrors. Thank you, Hot Wheels, for giving us that. It has much more details now, but at the front it's quite empty, but that's okay, you know. So yeah, overall it's a really good car, guys. That's all I can say about it. And let's just go for the info now. Now it's time to talk about the Nissan Skyline GDR, guys. First, moving on to the engine. The engine is the RB26D TT 2.6 liter dual overhead cam inline 6-cylinder engine, guys. And talking about the top speed is 156 miles per hour, which is 251 kilometers per hour, not a bad one. And moving on to the horsepower, it's 276 brake horsepower. That's really amazing for a stock car, and it's an superb car, guys. I really just want to say that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Comment your opinion below. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.